Welcome, MWM will kill again trading crypto. Welcome retail fam, best alpha show on the webs, YouTube, X, Twitch, whatever you are. I don't even stream on Twitch. I should be streaming on Twitch, by the way. So welcome retail fam, welcome. It's gonna be a good one today. We're gonna talk about, is the crypto dump over? Yes or no? So we're going to talk about a lot of altcoins today. So it will be a lot of altcoin show, especially going into the weekend. The financial markets are just a matter of time and they will close, and then it's all about crypto. So let's see what crypto is going to bring us today. See if we can make some money also into the weekends. So yeah, I'm going to give you guys the alpha that you always get from me. So push the like, please share the video as much as you can. And let the music run. Boom, boom. Okay, thank you. Thumbs up. Check. Music off now. Boom. Okay, what do I got over here? What do I got on this Friday? What do I got? Hoppy is getting listed on Blofin. Okay, good for Hoppy. So Top Dog, the moderator over here. Shout out to Top Dog. Bob is over here. We got Al Floriano, we got Tib, we got Deft, we got Alpiman, we got Deft, we got Travel 11, we got EFR, Carlo. What do we got? Tran. What do I got? What Elijah, we got Enz, we got Mama, we got El Pink, got Diane, Helena, Wrecked. Guys, if you can hear me, I'm a bit having a fever, and I'm really struggling with my health lately. I don't know what it is. So we got Helena, we got Wrecked, we got Tibby, we got 4-star. Local admin, ask him to unblock me on Twitter finally. It's been 84 years. Oh, Tibby, 4 said, okay. Oh, what do we got? What do we got? Earns. We got Mister. We got Amiros. We got. What do we got? 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 Let's see. We got Daniel. We got Bebop. We got Salsa Zoopark. Altcoin Janice. What do we got? Renee. We got Luca. We got This Is Bob. We got Bash, the moderator in the house. Welcome. Shout out to Bash. So we got Andrea. Got Judson, Kirk, JG, Sonia, Natasha, Ants. What do I got? Dog. We got Lemia. We got Rosie, Walid, Balong, Matic, Mark, Jason, Natasha, Ellen, Fakox, Nobi, Christopher, Muhammad Ali, Farida, Alkopas, Paul, Darren, Lazy, Murad, what do we got? What do we got? Upper Daniel, Randy, Siljo, we got John, Matija, Road Dog, Magdalene, Randy, Salsarada, creator in the house. Shout out to Salsara. Onkar, we got Jem, we got Noe, we got Danny Dix, we got Snowy. What I got? We got Sandy, Pedro, we got Rose, Eldar, Pip. Okay, so let's jump in. So I actually chose this moment to go live because especially where we are now, so basically what we did yesterday, like I shared you for the ones that watched the show yesterday, I told you this is where to act. So resistance is resistance. As long as it's resistant, it stays resistant. So it's basically what you're doing if you own this indicator. By the way, for all those that have been DMing me that are trading on Blofin, Bitunix or Weex, have me DMing me the UID and our active trading and volume just like required. You will all get a DM today or tomorrow. So if you don't get a DM by today or tomorrow, then you have to DM me again. Something went wrong. So you all get, if you're acting trading just like required, you all get access. So basically yesterday, for the ones that acted, they made a lot of money again on this rejection, and now we're testing again. It's testing again, testing. We still get some more upside, 98.3, but it's getting rejected over here. So my God, this thing, oh my God, Bitcoin is looking so weak. It was over here when I said it already, but it's this rejection back, and I've said it also yesterday. The only reason why we are holding on Bitcoin, the only reason why we're holding on Bitcoin is because of the markets. That's the only thing that's holding Bitcoin. Is not, there is no based on what I'm seeing, there is no momentum on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is just going like sideways, dumping a bit, holding because of the markets. But the thing that worries me the most is the fact that we got this dominance. Altcoins are not gaining momentum, and altcoins are getting super wrecked, and they are, in my opinion, a bit too wrecked. There's really no power over here, so I really have no clue what's going on exactly, but the money is not flowing in. And the only explanation to me is that they're seeing the same just like I'm seeing. That's the only explanation that I can imagine from the wheels, the ones that pump the altcoins the hardest, is that they're seeing the same just like I'm seeing. They're just seeing that markets are ramping up and they're waiting for that correction to start buying in again. But I'm also seeing a lot of altcoins with super deep red funding rates. And those are the ones you have to keep an eye on, because those are the ones you can make some nice gains on, especially in the weekend. So I think that we will get a group of altcoins that will ramp up, to be honest. I think that there are. I think that I'm gonna talk about it. So I've got the list. It's all I've got the list of altcoins. So just have some patience. I'll share the list in a moment after the market update. But there are some altcoins that are showing power. You got these greedy retailers that try to short bottoms, and they get punished. They will get super wrecked. They will get liquidated for sure. So you have to be very careful. That's also what I tweeted about today. I'm telling you, listen, don't short bottoms. Just don't. you know, it's just like I'm teaching you guys. You really have to. You have to focus on not losing. And when you are going to short coins, altcoins, especially if the funding rates are red, on bottoms, you're gonna get wrecked. You really have no clue what you're doing. You're just in a casino, you're just gambling with your money, and you're probably gonna lose it. You're gonna lose a lot of it. So that's why it's also so super important to know how to trade, how to leverage trade. And if you don't know how to leverage it, just stay, my first advice to you is, this is financial advice, by the way. Just don't leverage trade. Especially if you're not educated to do so. I've said it many times. I'm only here for the ones that are already leverage trading, so they're already in the game, and they're getting wrecked by whoever, whatever. So I'm here for those guys, and also for the ones that don't leverage trade, that are trading spot. So don't go leverage trade. Why? Because MW is showing some P&Ls or is nailing the markets or nailing the trades. No, just stay away. If you don't need it, just stay away from it, because it's super dangerous and it's super stressful also. It's a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game, and especially if you don't own the skills, they will probably wreck you. They'll probably wreck you. So okay, so enough about this one. Let's see. Let's go to this one. Let's go to this one. This one. Okay, I shared this chart today, and well, this is an inverted chart, but most of you guys that follow me know this already, so it's no. Let me get it back, guys. So we're pushing now, and Fridays are, by the way, very bullish days. You guys know the Mondays and the Fridays are the most bullish days for Wall Street, and Wall Street is just going for it. And well, this is the ranges that we are in at this moment. So let's see how powerful they are today. So let me also watch the. Oh my God, this thing. I'm waiting for this thing to break. It's getting rejected as we speak, the European markets. But the European markets will close, and then the US 500 will take over. So let's see how this thing is gonna work out. I'm really so interested in the European stocks, what they're gonna do. Listen, my target is here in the red zone. Doesn't have to mean that it will hit. Maybe it will not hit. Maybe this is it. Maybe that will reach this one. But either way, it doesn't matter. If we're gonna reach the red zone over here, that's really the moment to start. But it's not connecting. Nothing is connected at the moment. It's not connecting. When it doesn't connect, it annoys me a bit. I want it to be connected, and at this moment, it's just not connected. It isn't, because this markets are ramping up. Everything is ramping up, and Bitcoin is struggling over here. It's struggling a bit over here, and well, yeah. By the way, I shared this chart also. Let me get it back to how it was. By the way, before you guys will get what the crap is this? And this is let me do a little bit of education before we're gonna talk about whatever. In range trading, it's all about finding the right momentum. So you have to calculate the range. This is the range that we're trading in at this moment, and it's bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, and now we're in the middle. So now you don't know. So the range that we are in over here is the most dangerous range, and this is also where most traders lose money, because markets, they just don't, you just don't know it. It's just like over here. Over here, we came down. Over here, we came down. So every time we are in the middle over here, this block over here is also in the middle. This is when a lot of traders start losing money, because they go in, out. Trade goes against them, they go out. And then in. So you have to find those ranges, because listen, look at these ones. When you jump in over here, or you jump in over here, or you jump in over here, or you jump in over here, this is a clear side of trading. So you're probably more than 90%, 95%, you'll make money on whatever altcoin you're longing over here. And it's the same story over here. So over here, when you range trade this, so this is where you go in short, you're probably gonna make a lot of money. When you start DCAing over here, you gotta make a lot of money. Over here, you gotta make a lot of money. Over here, you gotta make a lot of money. So this is clear when you're range trading. But when Bitcoin is in the middle, it's very hard to trade. You can trade this, but you have to trade it really on the low time frames. You have to really put it on a 1 hour, 50 minutes, and just follow the thing up and down. So that's about Bitcoin for now. Let's see what the markets will do. It probably bounce with the markets up, make a nice move up, and and let's see. It's all about the markets today. So I'm just gonna wait what the market's gonna do, how they're gonna react. So that's all that I'm eyeing over here. So first of all, European markets are slowing a bit down over here, and the US 500 is trying to get into the zone again. They want to get into the zone, these freaking monsters. These are really monsters, these guys. Oh my God, these guys are super monsters, this Wall Street. Look at this. Look at this dumpy. Okay, fill the gap. No, not fill the gap. We're gonna pump it even more. Why not? Let's see NVIDIA. Oh my God, look at NVIDIA, guys. So we got this gap. Oh, they are going for the gap. Let me tell you this. Oh my God. Yeah, they started getting into the gap. Oh my God, this guy, this is, oh my God. If you're longing NVIDIA, be very careful, please. Please be careful. If you're longing or you're holding a lot of stocks in NVIDIA, be careful, guys. I already warned you over here or whatever it was over here, but I'm warning you again. I'm really warning you again. Be very careful. Please be careful on NVIDIA, guys. I'm saying it and saying it and saying it again. So this is, by the way, 141. If they can push it up, this last push, and I think that most of the people that are pushing these are either Will's trying to flush out some greedy shorts, or this is the owners of NVIDIA itself buying back their own stocks over here. I really have no clue. I'm just guessing. So keep in mind that if this thing comes over here, they don't even have to. I don't think that they will just close this gap like nothing, but this thing will turn around, guys. Keep an eye on this, please. Look at this. Got the indie over here. The big indie is over here, by the way, guys. So keep an eye on it. It might open to the 131 and then up and down she goes. Just keep an eye on that. Be very careful. Okay, enough. I think it's enough. Let's go into the altcoins. Yeah, why not? So, a lot of people are DMing me about MW. What are you eyeing to short? What do you want to short? Well, let me tell you that the short was over here. This was the short over here. This was the short. What is it? Come on, baby. Don't do this. So the short was over here yesterday. It's like I told you. So this was the short. This was when I told you the preparing phase is getting in. This was the short. Over here, this was when it got filled. And over here, it came down and it's running in profits as we speak. Some profits have been taken. So for now, it's just a matter of, let me put my alarm in, because markets are pushing. Bitcoin is gonna test the indie again. You're gonna see. Listen, guys, just keep in mind that trading is all about timing. Just like I explained, we're now in the middle. Everything, you see, when it gets into the middle, you could get volatility and this thing could break up anyway. So when it's in the middle, it's very hard to trade. You have to trade on the low time frame. Don't trade on the higher time frame. So for now, this is 98.5 is the resistance level to watch again, just like we did over here. So if this thing turns around over here, you know what to do. You can act. So enough about this. Let me go to the altcoins. So guys, I'm seeing. Let me repeat myself. So people saying, listen, MW, what is out there to short some big P&Ls again? Guys, do not short bottoms. they will wreck you. I already explained this in a previous vid. I explained it into details. Please listen. Don't go, just remember what I said. Just remember. So Brad, for example, over here, this is, by the way, the influencers coin. Influencers, they are organized, made a lot of money over here, shilling it, and they dumped it after it. But yes, I know, a lot of retailers get wrecked. Yes. Yeah, that's why they want you to follow them, so they can wreck you. So listen, guys, so this thing over here, it's showing some power, it's showing a lot of volume. So keep an eye on Brad, because these same people that have been shilling you this coin over here, this same group, that will be the same group that will buy in again here. Keep this in mind. They will not tell you, because you know, when this happens, those same people that have been shilling you this over here, they will not shill you this coin over here. They don't. I know it's crazy what I'm saying. I know. Or maybe you're even when you're listening to me, you think to yourself, oh my God, I was such a fool. Oh my God, I've been such a fool. What have I been doing? So they don't shill you this here. They don't shill you this here. Here's where they shill you this. And over here, I'm just guessing over here, by the way, guys. But if they would be buying bread over here, start loading up again, they will not tell you. When this thing starts doing like this is when they start telling you about it. When it does like this is when they start telling you about it. It's just how it works in crypto. You know, there's a reason why they keep attacking me. They don't like me, because I tell you what they do. So, you know, this is when they start telling you about bread. Goes up another leg up. This is what I tell you. Another leg up. This is what I tell you. Okay. And then over here is the retailers that have been buying in over here. Hopefully, if this thing comes back, are at break even. The new group that went in, they buy in over here. And then at the same point, they will do the same again. They'll start dumping it again. And then it starts all over again. That's just how it works. This is crypto. If you want me to describe you crypto, this is crypto. This is how it works in crypto. This is what's going on in crypto. So before you get married to your bag, or to get married to your influencer, or you get his poster hanging above your bed, who knows? Well, keep an eye on Brad. So Brad is showing some nice volume. Okay, the next one is PLUME thing. I really have no clue. Let me check this, but I have to check this PLUME thing. What is this PLUME? What is this? I need to see, what is this? PLUME. So PLUME. Okay, there is no market cap on coin. Okay. Oh my God. They ain't, you know, there just ain't. There is no market cap available on coin market cap. Well, that's great. That's good. Oh my God. Why? So this thing has no market cap. I have no clue. Even they don't know if this thing has got it. Well, whatever. So something is going on over here, and this PLUME is showing a lot of power, showing a lot of volume. So keep an eye on it. Maybe it wants to do some bearishness, because this, based on this chart, if I look at it, this is a beautiful. This is one of those short coins to make those big P&Ls on. But you have to be educated, and you have to wait for the right timing. So this PLUME, if someone can find a market cap on this thing, because my computer is not working like it should. Let me see. I'm very interested in why isn't it showing? Let me see if, sorry, it's got this called PLUME. Very strange. PLUME. But either way, it's showing a lot of volume. Let's see. Oh my God, maybe we got some. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my God, coin market cap isn't showing, but Masari is showing. It's a 260. Oh my God. 246 million. Fully diluted market cap, and then 1.23 billion. Maybe this thing should be on my short ETF. Maybe it should. I'll be eyeing it, by the way. But it's showing power for now, guys. So be very careful. It's showing a lot of volume. So let's see. Let's see PLUME. I think there is a lot of money to be made on PLUME. Look at it, the indicator. Chuk chuk, chuk chuk. Keep an eye on PLUME. PLUME might be one of those coins. That's gonna make you a lot of money. Do we got PLUME, by the way? Is PLUME available, by the way, guys? Can you check if PLUME is available on Blofin, Weex, or Bitunix? Let me know. Let me go to the next. Okay, so next we got this one. Look at this. If you want to short, listen, this is one of those things. Yeah, MW, this, that, we need to short. And then people go short, for example, this one. Don't short bottoms, bro. The shorting was over here. When MW was shouting and doing whatever. Come on, guys, please, please short the crap out of it. And nobody's listening because everyone has got his head in someone's FOMO. ASS. Not now. This is not the time to short, bro. This is not the time to short. So this thing is also showing some volume. Keep an eye on meme coin. So we got the next one is NEIRO. Same story, just like meme. This is not the time to short. You either watch the coins that are juicy for a long, or you just stay out of it. That's what you gotta do. And if you want to short, go watch Bitcoin or short Ethereum. That's when they can't manipulate you. But over here, this is super dangerous. You have to be very careful. Shorting these coins at bottom formations is very dangerous. So this thing is also showing a lot of volume. Let me go to this one. Same story. Guys, do you understand my tweet when I said, what is out there left to short? You know, this is just a massacre. That's what I'm seeing over here. This is a massacre is going on. You know, look at this. Look at this chart, bro. Look at this. So basically, I'm going to be very honest with you. Although I'm bearish on the financial markets, but you have to be focusing more on longs now. You really have. You know, I'm not out here to find sensation or to listen, guys, whatever. No. I don't give a crap about that. My YouTube channel isn't even monetized. I really don't care. I'm really out here telling you just the truth as a trader, how I see it. You have to stay out of the shorts on these coins. Focus on longs. Although I'm although we are resistance at Bitcoin, but focus, I'm not telling you to long now. I'm telling you, wait for the right moment and then long the bounces. Focus on the bounces. You know, just like I keep telling you guys, every pump is a short opportunity. You know, I've been saying this for weeks now. And this is the result, what you're seeing over here. So if you think, okay, wait a minute, who is MW and why does he keep telling us all these days, because I've been saying this now for like, I think 6-7 weeks. I'm telling you, every bounce you're seeing in the markets is a short opportunity in crypto. Everything. I said it maybe like 100 times. I acted on it. I even made an MW short ETF on it. So this is what happened. Boom, 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 boom. I know most of you guys forget about it. MW has been yelling 2 months short. Every pump, every bounce you see is a short opportunity. I know. You all forget about it. But I'm telling you now, although markets are at resistance levels, Bitcoin's resistance levels, you have to keep an eye on some juicy longs. Look at the bounces, especially in the weekend when markets go to sleep. Wait for Bitcoin to make its move down. It almost does, it does it a lot. It's just experience. And then when it makes it down, then wait for the bounce. But we have to wait for the market close. I'll be sleeping when markets will be close, hopefully. Especially when I'm sick, I will probably sleeping. But keep an eye on how the markets. At the end of the stream, I'll show you guys more. So this thing is also bottoming out over here. So do some research on this SOLV. It's bottoming out. Listen, this was the low on the dump, and over here it's showing some volume. So keep an eye on this SOLV. Maybe they wanna, you know, maybe they wanna, maybe. Then we got this ARKM. This thing is also so super wrecked. I've said enough about it past weeks about this ARKM crap. And well, yeah, what to say? I'm not interested in this thing. Now we got this old dog GMT. Stepping. Yes, you move, you make money. Stepping. We're stepping. Also showing some volume. Don't ask me why. You know, over here, this is the bottom. Look at these guys. Yeah, that freaking MW is on Twitter again. Yeah. What is he saying, John? Yeah, he's saying you should short every bounce in crypto. Oh my God, what a fool. Ha. Why? Everyone is saying Trump is coming. We're going to the moon. Everything's going up. Institutions are buying, countries are buying Bitcoin, everyone is buying Bitcoin, everyone is buying crypto, crypto is getting adopted. Yes, John, yes. NW, oh my God, block the guy, don't watch him, unfollow him, yes. Now it's time for me to laugh. You wrecked, yes. It's really, sometimes, people are so stupid, They just don't listen. They just don't. And you know why it annoys me? Because it's every cycle is the same story. I remember one call with a very, 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 very famous influencer. I'm not gonna name his name. And I was telling them, why do you keep wrecking your followers? You got so many followers. Why you keep wrecking them? Why don't you just listen? Then he told me, why don't you come work with me? No, I don't work with anyone. I work alone and I don't want no boss and I'm free and I do what I want, when I want, how I want it. Then I told him, but promise me that this time you'll do it differently. Promise me that you don't wreck your followers again. Then he told me, I promise you. And let me tell you, you know what he does? He does just like, I don't think if he's doing it on purpose or he's doing it whatever, but you know what he does? When markets are up over here, he tells them, okay, we're going to the moon. When markets dump down, and then he starts saying, well, I think a lot of blood is coming. What blood, bro? The blood is already... You have to see it like this. I'm not talking about GMT, by the way. I'm just giving you an average chart. When these coins come down, at some point there are no sellers anymore, because you've got either people that's already sold their bags, or you got people that are so super wrecked they just will not sell. So at some point, it doesn't matter even if Bitcoin would go to 10K. At some point, there are no sellers anymore. So don't tell people to sell their bags over here. Oh my God, it's really, it's really, it's just like me when, when I nail the next call and the next dump and everything, whatever. And then you get this new shipment of retailers that come follow me. And then they start DMing me. NW, I'm 90% down. Should I sell? What are you expecting me to say? My answer will always be the same. I told you to sell 90% ago. Do you really think that I will tell you to sell now? I won't. Go work hard, make some money, and DCA in if you really believe in the project, you think it will go up. So keep an eye on GMT, by the way. So ORDI. For the ones, I haven't talked about ORDI for a very long time, but I want to talk about it now. The ones that know me, the ones that have been following me, and I know, guys, I never, ever remove a tweet. Never. That's the only way for you to check me if I'm a scammer or I'm just full of shit or whatever. I never, ever remove a tweet. So every tweet that I posted, it's out there. You guys cannot believe what I said about this triple. This ORDI made the team 6 figures. They have been shorting this was just one big cash machine. That's all it was. And I've said it like a million times on Twitter. ORDI has been a cash machine, guys. The whole year long. just like Popcat was. But this one was even better. ORDI, was a lot of volume of ORDI. I told them, listen guys, this ORDI crap is going to zero. No, there's Bitcoin Lightning and this one. Yeah, whatever. ORDI is going to zero. But ORDI is almost back to zero. So, by the way, guys, I still believe the same, but, you know, I just follow the money, and the money is flowing over here. It's dumpy money, in my opinion. But look at this, guys. Just imagine, wow, because I remember it very good. A lot of people, they don't, you know, you can tell me, MW, this is annoying why you keep telling this, but guys, it's the facts. If you guys don't say it, I have to say it. Because you guys don't remember this. I remember it very good. Why? Because I've been analyzing this. I've been spending my time on this. And I've been making a lot of retailers millions of dollars on this. They forgot about it. They made their money. The team made their money. Who cares? Nobody talks about it. I have to talk about it. And why? Because so next time you could be with them. So look at this. You guys cannot imagine how many YouTube influencers have been shilling this coin. And at the same time, I was telling them, short the crap out of it, retail fam. Just short every freaking, it doesn't matter. Every time when you see candle go up, short the crap out of it. Ta-tum, 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 ta-tum. Okay. Well, there we are. Bitcoin Lightning. Back to zero. So if you bought in at 80 bucks, 90 bucks, whatever, you can buy it now for 11 bucks. Congrats to you. So next one, this is showing a lot of volume, by the way, guys. So let me show you this one. What is it? This VVV. Oh my God, this VVV sign it's finding some momentum over here. I already talked about it, and it's holding beautifully. So keep an eye on VVV, guys. Keep an eye on VVV. VVV. Keep an eye on VVV, guys. Keep an eye on VVV. Let me put on, is the indicator active already? Yes, the indicator is active already. So keep an eye on VVV. Maybe VVV wants to do, you know, maybe VVV wants to go back to the 8 bucks. Maybe. Put on the indicator 1 hour, 15-minute, trade the crap out of it. That's all I have to say. IO, this is also one of those coins. This, oh my God, this coin. I think I said enough about this coin. This is also same story. Same story. This is the Solana syndicate are behind this coin. And they have been shilling it to death. And then they dump on you. And I warned you. I told you. Guys, it's, you know, it's not that I picked these coins because I called these tops and I called it. It's not because of this. If you really believe that, you know, you guys don't know me. I don't bullshit people. I don't scam people. I don't care. These are just facts. These are the coins with volume on them. That's why I'm showing them. And while I'm showing you those coins, I get flashbacks. Oh yeah, IO, when I told you short the crap out of it over here. Game Trading Crypt has been killing this coin, by the way, together with their members. They made a lot of money. This one is interesting. This one is interesting. This one is, I find this one very interesting. This is EOS, guys. EOS is a solid project. Do your research on it. EOS is a solid project. So EOS, it's an old dog, by the way, made this rise up. What was this? This was a 3x in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. And it's back. It's back. It's back. Look at it. It's back. Keep an eye on EOS. Let me check EOS very quickly for you guys. Let me check. It's a smart contract platform, in my opinion, and EOS is a monster. EOS. I think EOS is a little bit. It's a little bit Asian, in my opinion. This, yeah, it's, you know, looking good. 1 billion, 1.2 billion market, fully diluted. 1 billion market cap. Nice volume, 81 million. Look at this, guys. EOS. Do some research. Maybe they got something running. Maybe some AI crap, whatever. Maybe you can make money. I'm telling you, EOS is showing a lot of power also. Next one, the AI agents. Look at this. Look at this. It's still here. It's still fresh. Yes. Who is MW? Who is M Will Killer? This is M Will Killer. He short stops. That's what he does into perfection. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God. What a massacre. What a massacre. What a massacre. What a massacre. So also showing some power over here. Our AI agent. Our AI agent. Yes, it's showing power. So, oh my God. What are these alarms doing? Calm down. Calm down. MW killed them again. So, if you like AIXBT, we almost hit it, by the way. But if this thing comes down, I'll probably scoop some of this coin. Let me go to the next one. We've got a lot of coins today, by the way, guys. A lot of coins are showing a lot of power. So 1 or maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 of these coins might pump in the weekend. You know, guys, I'm showing you altcoins. Full disclosure, I don't own them. I didn't buy them. I don't know the teams. I don't know who they are. They didn't contact me. I didn't contact them. I'm not getting any money from them or from you or from YouTube or from whoever. So I'm just objective over here, trading wise, showing you where the money is flowing. So it's you now to act. So let me go to the next one. Another agent, guy. So we got this ARS made this nice ramp up, and well, as predicted, it's coming down again. So yeah, so this is dumpy on ARS. Keep an eye on ARS, guys. ARS is a monster. ARS, there's something going on with this coin. Then we go to this UXLINK. Oh my God, look at this. Perfection. Okay, by the way, guys, I didn't draw these lines here. They were already here. So the ones that have got them filled, congrats to you. Oh my God, how much? Oh my God, 52%. Lovely, lovely. That's gain trading, guys. Just put those damn buy orders in and just wait. Well, you waited, boom, hit. So UXLINK, this monster is showing some. What is this white thing doing here? So this monster this monster has me pumping like crazy over here. Now it's showing hit the zone. It hit exactly the zone, and it's already 50% up. Keep an eye on it. This monster can pump very hard, so keep an eye on UXLINK. Put on the indicator. Check it. Next one, PENGU. Okay, PENGU, PENGU. Okay, PENGU. There we go, PENGU. PENGU. Yes, MW. Why are you saying short every pump, short every bounce? Why are you saying that, MW? Don't say that. Just don't say it. Look at this, guys. Guys, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Look at this chart, and then look at this chart. Well, let me show you another chart. Or look at this chart. Or look at this chart. Just tell me, please, if the market start dumping, where is this thing going? I don't know. Either way, it's showing some volume, so keep an eye on it. It might make a nice bounce up. Next one. Usual. Oh my God. Guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? You have to keep in mind, most of you guys are with me, so I know that you guys are safe. The ones that have been with me the past weeks, months, you guys are safe. I know that you sold your bags, you shorted the crap out of a lot of altcoins that I showed you guys. You shorted every bounce up, and you are now loaded with a lot of cash. What the crap is this? Look at this. Just imagine people that are not watching me, that are not following me, or maybe whatever. Are you seeing how wrecked they are? We have been doing now, like, what is it, 10 coins, 15 coins. Are you seeing how wrecked they are? Thank you, Mr. Trump. God. Anyway, it's showing some volume. Keep an eye on usual. Let me go to RUNE. Oh my God, RUNE. Why, RUNE, why? Why are you doing this, RUNE? RUNE is still showing volume. Oh my God, RUNE. You know, I want this thing to go up to the $5. And then I want ARKM to tweet about it. You know, I told you to buy it. Yes, I told you to buy it. I told you to buy it over. Yeah, you're already now like 70, 80% down, but just hold on. And I told you to buy it and you doubled your money. I really, you know, so I hope that it happens. So ARKM will have his moment. I really hope that it happens. I hope that it will go even higher. I really hope it happens, really. Just look at this. Guys, I told you, and I will repeat myself, you know, I'm not bearish at bottoms. That's just what it is. You know, this is when I made the vid about it to be bearish. This is when I told you to short the crap out of it. Now, I cannot be bearish at bottom formation. That's just not, I'm a trader. I'm a trader. That's what I do for a living. I'm a trader, and I cannot be bullish over here. So, guys, again and again and again, you have to do some research on what RUNE is doing, if they're going to do whatever they're going to do to save this project. And if they're going to save this project, so you could make an easy 5x on this one. 3, 4, 5x. Easy peasy. You just need to do some research on it. So it's all about the fundamentals over here. So the TA-wise, we did our job over here. We did our job even over here, by the way. I know that a lot of you guys don't remember this, but you know, I gave the call here also. But this one is what I made a lot of vids about it on Twitter and YouTube. So this is not the time to be bearish about RUNE. This is now hunting season. So if RUNE, if they're whatever gonna do and it's bullish, this might be your opportunity. So the next one, ACT. Yes, I know. Guys, I can't help myself. It's just what it is. I didn't make these things. Yes, we shorted the crap from here to bottom. Yes, we're at the bottom now. So if this thing hits, keep an eye on it, guys. I told you I need someone to summarize my calls. You can make a Netflix series out of it. People have no clue what I've been doing. If you would summarize my calls, your brains will be someone. If you know, I need to get myself, pay them a lot of money, some marketing bureau that is not related to marketing machine, because otherwise they will not make it. Just pay them some money. Listen, the only thing you have to do, don't lie to the people, only facts. Go through my feed of the past year or 2 years, whatever, and just the most important things, just make like a 1 hour. Show the world what I've been doing. Show them, because marketing machine is hiding it. Just show them. So this is ACT. Keep an eye on ACT. Also some volume hitting in, and then we got this one. This was showing a lot of power also. So this what is it? This STPT also showing a lot of power over here. So yeah, well, let's see. It's showing a lot of volume, by the way. Big volume on this coin. Really big volume I've been seeing on this one. So let me do FARTCOIN. A lot of coins today, guys. I have to prepare you for the weekends. Look at FARTCOIN. This is money machine, ATM machine. This is my, I told you, this is my coin, guys. This is my coin. Look at this. Up, resistance, dump down, up, resistance, dump down, up. This is the best coin for traders. This is PopCat 2025. This coin can make you rich if you're a trader. You know, let me just say this. If I would trade, I would just 50% of my trades would be just FARTCOIN. Just what it is. I'm just telling you how it is. So Virtuals was also showing some volume. Oh my God! What is this? Is the wrong chart. This is the wrong chart. Let me get the good Virtuals. Virtuals. Let's see if this one is better. Yes, this one is much better. So Virtuals. Okay. So Virtuals holding strong over here, guys. So for me, Virtuals, it's showing some power, so you can trade it on the lower time frames. My buy zones are below the 65 cents. So I'll be just waiting this one out. Okay, guys, I think I showed you guys more than enough about all the altcoins out there. So I will make a tweet about them. I will share them with you guys, what altcoins we've talked about, what altcoins to check. And well, wait for the market. So let me go to the markets before I can. Guys, I'll be really honest with you guys. This fever is, you know, it's like I'm stoned or something. I don't know what it is. So Let me see where, yeah, it's pushing, they're pushing. Yeah, it's Friday, of course they're pushing. So they're getting rejected over here. They're just trying, boom, boom, boom. Keep an eye on this one, guys. If this thing turns red, be very careful. We're holding the indicator on the 1 hour, holding this one over here. Keep an eye on it. If it goes below the 70, be careful with any longs if you're opening any longs. So be very careful. Let the markets do what they do best, and that is scam you in and scam you out. So let me see. So my alarms is set over here. So keep an eye if it's gonna hold the indie. We're gonna ramp up. You can see some bullishness. Let me see. I'm very interested in NVIDIA. Well, the markets didn't open yet. Oh, crappy. Let's see. So NVIDIA is the one to watch today. Okay, for the ones I'll be on, the team will probably do most of it because I'm just too sick. Today and tomorrow, everyone that DM me his UID, you will get added and you will get the indicator, you will get access to the leverage trading course vids, so you guys can also make money. And also for the ones, very important to keep repeating myself, the Blofin traders that already have a Blofin account, DM me your UID and add to it, I want to join GTC. Because at Blofin we can flip you. So if you already have a Blofin, you're trading on it anyway, just DM us your UID and add the text, I want to join GTC. We can flip you, and that's also how you can get access. So everyone will get an answer today or tomorrow. So happy trading for everyone. Use the indie, use your minds, and wait for the volatility of the markets when they open and start acting on those. I love you all. Thanks for watching. I don't know if I'm gonna do a vid tomorrow, so I really don't know, so based on how I'm feeling, but I did my Friday weekend update and you guys all know what to expect. I love you all. Have a nice one and bye-bye.